In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an overpayment in Xero with our full 2025 guide. Managing your finances can often seem daunting, but today I'll guide you through this process step by step to ensure you're comfortable and confident using Xero. So grab a seat and let's get started. First things first, please make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to locate the Reconcile tab. It's usually visible on the main navigation panel. Clicking this takes you to an area where you can match your bank statement lines with payments and other transactions you've made in Xero. If you're familiar with Xero's layout, finding your way around should be straightforward, but if not, don't worry as I will guide you through it. Next, you need to identify the invoice for which you are recording the overpayment. This is a crucial step. Browse through the list of existing invoices and click on the one you need to adjust. It's essential to select the correct invoice, as this ensures your records remain accurate and up to date. Always double check details like dates and amounts, as this will save you a lot of headaches in the long run. After selecting the invoice, it's time to take action. Look for the Find and Match option and give it a click. This function lets you search for transactions within Xero, matching them with the lines in your bank statement. It's quite nifty and saves a lot of manual cross-referencing. Right after that, click on the New Transaction button. By doing this, you're essentially telling Xero that there's a new entry to be made. In our case, this will be the overpayment amount that needs to be documented properly. Following that, you'll see a Receive Money option. Clicking this tells Xero that money has come into the account, whether it's an overpayment, a correction, or simply additional funds. Now let's get specific. Next to the field labeled Received As, there's a drop-down menu. Click on this and from the list find and select Overpayment. Using this option is crucial because it categorizes the financial transaction correctly, ensuring that future reconciliations aren't confusing or misleading. Afterwards, you'll want to enter the amount. Be precise here. Input the correct overpayment amount to make sure everything balances out at the end of the month. Finally, with everything correctly filled out, go ahead and click on the Save Transaction button. This action records the overpayment in your Xero account, finalizing all the steps you've carried out, and there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully recorded an overpayment in Xero. You can rest easy knowing your financial records are accurate. Remember, organization is key when managing finances. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.